You're a lovely bunch. You like them a lot. You got it, okay.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Britain's Got Talent.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sirine.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
14.
Yes.
And whereabouts are you from?
I'm from London.
Okay. Have you told your friends at school you're here today?
No, they have no idea I'm here.
Right, okay. So who's here with you today?
My grandfather, my 2 aunties, my uncle, my cousin, my brother, and my parents.
A nice mix.
Goodness me. It's the entire audience.
It is the entire audience.
Yes.
I like that. Is there anything else you want to tell us about yourself?
So I guess it's pretty obvious that I can't see. There was a time where I could, and now I can't. But I guess music is my vision, and that's just what I live by, and music is my thing.
Good for you. Well, we're all rooting for you, and I know everyone at home is going to be rooting for you too. So, in your own time, Sirine.
Thank you.
Arms here. That was good. Well done. Okay. There you are. There you go. There you go. Good luck, Sirine. Easy. Best of luck, you sound great.
Well done, Sirine. What you couldn't see was the whole of the Palladium on their feet applauding you because they love you. Alicia.
Oh,
Oh, what a sweet, sweet girl you are. My heart is just melted.
Thank you.
And you're so nervous, but that's completely understandable. It's a massive deal. It's a massive stage, and you sang beautifully.
I just found the entire audition so poignant. You're just so beautiful and vivacious. You kind of just exude lightness.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It was just brilliant.
Thank you.
Sirine, were you nervous because you thought you were going to get bad comments? Have people criticised you in the past?
I only do school performances, so this is something completely new. And being able to sing right now is just such a big opportunity, and I don't want to waste it.
Good for you. I think I should be the first person to say yes.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
And it's a yes from me. Well done, Sirine.
Yes.
Well, I could hope.
Congratulations. That was really good. Absolutely fantastic.
Bye.